Supercar. A supercar is built for extreme speed, sharp handling, and eye-catching design. Most supercars come from brands with a long history of high-performance engineering, such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Porsche. They usually have powerful engines placed behind the driver, lightweight materials, and advanced aerodynamics. A supercar is designed to deliver an exciting driving experience while also showing the latest technology a manufacturer can offer. Hypercar. A hypercar takes the idea of a supercar even further. These cars are produced in very limited numbers and often represent the most advanced machines a company has ever built. Brands like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Pagani, and Rimac create hypercars that combine incredible speed with rare materials and cutting-edge engineering. They are often collector's items as much as performance vehicles. Grand Tourer. A Grand Tourer, often called a GT car, is made for long-distance driving at high speed without sacrificing comfort. This style first became popular in Europe, where drivers traveled between cities across long highways. A GT car usually has a spacious cabin, smooth suspension, and a strong engine. It balances performance with luxury, making it suitable for both daily trips and long journeys. Muscle car. A muscle car is an American sports car known for its large engine and straight-line acceleration. The idea became popular during the 1960s with models like the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Challenger. These cars focus more on raw power than precise cornering. Their bold appearance and deep engine sound have made them lasting symbols of American automotive culture. Pony car. A pony car is a smaller and more affordable performance car that combines sporty styling with everyday usability. The category began in 1964 when the Ford Mustang became an instant success. Other manufacturers quickly introduced their own rivals. Pony cars are usually lighter than muscle cars and are available with a wide range of engines, from economical options to powerful V8 models.